You know how sometimes you have a project to do, and getting the ladder out and getting it set up is more work than the project itself? Not anymore with this ladder. This is the Garrett weight extension ladder. It's a really compact and lightweight design. This ladder is what I pull out for any job I have to do off the ground, whether it's low or high up. It'll go all the way up to 12.5 feet with really solid locking steps. Of course, it works for shorter heights too. Just pull out however many steps you need and stop there. Taking it down to put it away is super easy too. Each rung comes down nice and controlled on an ear cushion so that your fingers won't get caught in between. And when you're done, it stores in the narrowest of spaces.